What's up, guys? We are gonna play Fleet Arena, Star Wars Galaxy Heroes. Let's get in and check it out. Here's my lineup for this battle. Got Biggs and Darth Vader. Yeah, Boba Fett even. So he comes in with the taunt and the attack back stuff. So retribution, I guess is what it's called. It is groovy. Let's get in here and. You know, they just did this Fleet Arena rework too, so instead of having all 5 out, you have 3 out. I guess it's more tactical, I don't know. So let's get rid of his Darth Vader. His normal attack is, you know, that targeting thing and makes Tarkin's ship go faster, so you want to debuff him as quick as possible to get ahead. So let's see. I got my Biggs taunting. And as he's taunting and target lock goes on, he gains protection. See? Just like that. Alright. I'm going to do some damage now. See what he brings in. So, ship that hides. Okay, well mine is taunting and has retribution. So. Golly. Tell you. So I'm just playing on auto right now. I'm not actually doing anything. Just letting the ships battle it out on their own with the AI. And that's about 90% what I do is as if the AI do it. I usually just leave my phone on the charger, go do something else, and come back. And my fleet score's alright. I'm up in the 40s usually, you know, like, or sub 40 I should say. So 30s and 20s. I've never finished, I don't think, in the top 20. Well, looks like a pretty easy victory for me. So, well, that's sort of how I run ships. Pretty simple. Didn't have to make a lot of decisions there. Next time I really want to show you how to take down the Night Sisters in Arena, but yeah, I don't have any Night Sisters in Arena for me to fight, so anyway, you know, give me a like, a thumbs up down there, and subscribe if you want to see a tutorial on this or guitar or something, whatever you guys want to see. I'll make a video about it. Alright, thanks all.